All right, put it in the steering wheel. So first, we're gonna disconnect the battery and then go from there and then dismantle the steering wheel. All right, so taking off the wheel, there's gonna be two bolts right here. One here, 10 millimeter, and on the other side. And then we're gonna take this apart, take off the ABS, battery's disconnected, and then we'll be able to take off the wheel. I think that's a 24, and then we'll pull this bad boy out. All right, airbag is out, and now we're going to take off the bolt, take off the steering wheel. We'll have to take all of this apart and then thread this into the new one, and then put it all together, thread it all through, put it back on, and we're good to go. All right, steering wheel is out. Only thing that's left is the ABS cables, and then everything else is in the factory steering wheel. So now Nico's taking all the stuff apart for all the wiring for the inside. So all of the paddles and everything will come out of this, go into the new one, and then we'll be good to go. So, all right, here's the old wheel. This is, all the guts are out, and it's basically just a wheel now. So now we're going to take, there's the paddles, everything from the old wheel into the next one. So now we're going to just take that all and put it into the new wheel, and good to go. All right, it's all done. Drove home and it's flawless. This thing is really, really badass. I don't know. I mean, the stock steering wheel is awesome, but this thing's just beefy. It just feels like it should. Like, this is how all the steering wheels should be, and loved how it turned out. So thanks to Nico and Brian with AutoHaven for kind of just going through it with me and making sure that this thing was good. So absolutely love the look of it. This thing is badass.